Hello friends and welcome to my Lego room. One of the most common questions that I get asked in my live is if I can give you a tour of my Lego room, so that's what we're going to do right now. So let's start with the view that you most often see me from. Right here, this is my little Lego building table with my awesome display wall behind me. Now a lot of people ask, so I'll just tell you these are the IKEA Billy bookcases, and I try to sort them according to themes. So we've got like kind of movies over here, we've got Marvel up here, we've got some video game stuff, we've got some like medieval stuff. Oh, and of course the Eiffel Tower is too big to fit, so it just sits on the floor. Then moving clockwise, we run into my Lego City display. Over here, we've got our little Diagon Alley section. I'm working on building a little custom leaky cauldron with a brick wall to enter into it. And then in the city, I'm still working on the roads. We're gonna figure out exactly how to do all that later, but we've got our main section of road. We've got little city blocks going along. A lot of my friends have hidden themselves as minifigs throughout the city, and they make it a challenge that I have to find where they put themselves. It's a fun little game that they play. Over here, we've got some Marvel stuff. This is gonna eventually be the outdoor area, so it's gonna be a really fun little city setup. And then of course, with all that over there, on this far side of the room is one of my favorite areas, which is the brick wall. This is my storage that I have all of my loose brick pieces organized into drawers and tubs of different sizes and types, so that when I'm doing custom builds, I can know exactly where to go to grab different parts and pieces so that I can build the thing that I wanna make as easily as possible. And this down here is my tub of shame, all of the pieces that I still need to go through and sort and put into their various places. Oh, and if you're wondering, these are just standard Sterilite containers that I get at Walmart. These are actually, they're Craftsman. I get them from a home improvement store. They're usually for like nuts and bolts, but obviously they work great for Lego. These I got from the Container Store. They're like hobby storage, but I think these ones are a little bit too expensive. These ones are much more affordable. So there you have it, a very quick tour of the Lego room. The problem with doing these tours is that they're always getting updated because I'm expanding my sets or I'm expanding my storage. So that's what it's like for now, and who knows what it'll be like even a month or 6 months from now.